Hi everyone, and I'm sharing you our marriage life. April 27, 2024 nga, just 3 days after our wedding, kailangan ko na namang ihatid ang asawa ko sa airport. April 24 kami kinasal and ang bilis ng oras, parang hindi pa tapos yung kilig, goodbye na agad. Habang sinasarado niya nga yung pintuan, tinitignan ko yung ring ko and it hits me. This is the start of our married life, pero hindi kami magkasama everyday. Sumakay kami ng tricycle, trying to enjoy the last few minutes together. Tahimik kami pareho kasi minsan hindi na kailangan ng words. Just being beside him already feels like home. Habang papalapit kami sa airport, ramdam ko na yung bigat. The closer we get, the harder it feels. Parang bawat metro, isa siyang paalala na malapit na ulit yung goodbye. That last kiss, grabe, it never gets easier. Kahit ilang beses na namin tong ginawa, laging may kirot sa puso. I watch him fall in line, slowly moving forward, slowly moving away. LDR and OFW life isn't easy, pero we always choose each other kahit gaano kahirap. Every airport goodbye teaches me something, patience, trust, and a different kind of love. Yung love na hindi nasusukat sa distance pero sa effort and commitment. Pag-alis niya, I walk home alone, but hopeful. After 2 weeks, ako naman ang babalik sa Canada. Until next time, the next video you'll see is when we're finally together again in Canada. Same love, same story, just waiting for the next chapter to begin. Au revoir!